Hey guys, welcome back to the series for the ICSE class 10 students wherein we'll be going through either all or almost all programs of each and every chapter from this book. So before our coding mood flies away, let's get started. Alright, the question that we deal with today is this one. Write a program to input three numbers, positive or negative. If they are unequal, then display the greatest number. Otherwise, display that they are equal. The program also displays whether the numbers entered by the user are all positive, all negative, or the combination of positive and negative numbers. So before we get started with the code part, let's just see what exactly we have to do. So there's just three things that we have to do in this one. First, find out whether they are equal or unequal, and if they are equal, we display that they are equal. If they are unequal, we display the greatest number. And the last part is to check whether they are positive, negative, or combination. For the greatest number, we'll be using a function called math.max. So let's hop onto our editor and get started with it. So let's create a new class, name it program_8. The program asks us to take three values as input. So let's name it A, B, and C. That's int A, int B, and int C. For the first part, let's just check whether if they are equal or not. And for it to be equal, A is equal to B and B is equal to C. So that'll be if A equals B and B equals C. You don't have to additionally put another check that if A is equal to C, because if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, it just implies that A is equal to C. So here we'll just display that they are equal. So it will be system.out.println, they are equal. Now if they are not equal, we will print out the greatest digit of all these three. So that will be else. Now instead of taking a new variable for storing the greatest digit, what we will do is just put it in one single line. This will be just a new thing for most of you, might be. So we'll do system.out.println, and now over here we will need to find the greatest digit. And how we will do this is, first we use the math.max, and for that we will be importing the math class. Import java.util. Okay. And now for this part, first we'll find out the maximum digits between any two numbers. Let's say A and B. So that'll be math.max between A and B. And now this particular function gives us the greatest digit between A and B. Now when this returns us A and B, now we can pass it through one more time through the math.max function along with the variable C. So there'll be math.max, and then now this particular statement is returning a value that's the greatest between A and B. Now this is the first parameter for this function, that is the outer math.max, and the second parameter will be the next variable, that is C. So I hope you guys have understood this. If you have not, just take some time and understand the statement. Now this particular statement will give us the maximum digit between all the three numbers, sorry. Now we could just close it. Yeah. Now this essentially we are done with the first two parts, so we could just strike this out. And for the third part, that if they are positive or negative or combination. Now for that we'll need a separate if else block. So now for if all of them are greater than 0, that means they are positive. If all of them are less than 0, then all of them are negative. And if it's neither of them, then it means it's a combination. I hope you have understood this, and I do not have to explain. I can just fast forward this part. So I'll just Alright, now we're done with the program. Let's just compile it and let's close it and let's have a look at it. I'm sorry. Now for instance, if we take as 1, 1, 1, it will show us they are all equal and they are positive. And since they are equal, it doesn't print out the greatest digit. Let's take as 5, 2, and maybe 9. And it prints out 9 as the value, and it definitely is positive. Now let's have a look at a negative digit too. Minus 8, maybe minus 5, maybe minus 1. And it says that it's all negative and the greatest digit is minus 1. And for the last part, there is the combination. I'll let you guys try it out. So that's it for today, guys. This will be the end of the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep coding, and don't let your coding mode to fly away.